final result with the seal. You can see the seal right up here. It's been crushed. We got a torque with the specification on the book. You can see the seal. I squeeze little thin fine layers. And here I put more seals just in case, because it was really hard to put this pen because it touched on the other side when you put it, so it will take out some sealing. That's why in the manual it says that when you put the seal, push the pen more on this transmission side when you're gonna put it. There's a little curve up in here. This one here, you gotta put the pen underneath this. Anyways, when you're gonna put the pen, you gotta put it in and take it out a few times so you know how to feel comfortable to install it back. But this is pretty much the final result with the job, with the sealing. I fixed the hole here. Hopefully it will leak. I did some aluminum welding, and I did put a patch on there, so high temperature patch, and this is pretty much the result. There you see the tin layer right here. It's hard. Yeah. Hopefully this will not leak, and we'll see. Now it's ready to pretty much install the catalyzer. But it bolted here. Pretty much the job is